So this is the 3547 New Aire. This is a floor plan that Newmar brought to us last year that's been very popular because it's a bath and a half in a 35-foot coach. For those of you that want the smaller coach with 2 bathrooms, this is the floor plan for you. This is the beautiful sangria exterior. Now let's take a look at some of the exterior storage. All right, so you'll see that even in this 35-foot coach, we get a lot of storage. So the optional exterior freezer here, optional power or manual storage trays. These are powered. I love these double doors because look, it opens it up, gives you all that space here. And we do have a little pass-through space here. Can't see it though, if you have something long. The tray does not pass through though. Exterior TV, another option, but one that I think you should consider, even if you're not a big TV watcher, just because it's great for resale. Then we've got a nice storage compartment here, and one more with our last compartment being our chassis batteries. All right, let's go check out the inside. Again, notice the beautiful split screen, but all underneath one panel, so it just looks really nice. Beautiful finish out here at the dash. Again, everything I've seen this year pretty much at the Newmar dealer meeting I'm in love with. This is the Pearson interior package. Really beautiful, paired with the Morel. Now that shouldn't be hard for you to remember. Morel, my last name, Morel wood option. I absolutely think this is beautiful. Really subtle, nice and warm coach. I like how the wood's a little bit darker than your furniture. Remember that your furniture is going to be all leather. Your fascia or valance is going to be ultra leather. Nice big windows, storage above, just so you can see that storage. No divider, so you can really optimize the use of that space. Then we have the theater seating that we put in here, powered right here, and you can backlight your little cup holders there with the storage in the center console, 2 USB charging ports and 2 110 outlets. Our control panel here, so we can lift up our TV, put that down, control the blinds, our lights, storage above. We've got the booth dinette, we've got storage underneath. So a little pocket of storage here, plus this on both sides. This is going to extend just like all of our other tables. So nice, really extends far. We're going to be able to put down that extra leg, get 2 more chairs here so we can easily seat 6. Now as we go into the kitchen, we've got the beautiful mirror here, storage above, our refrigerator, freezer, Samsung. And then across from that, we've got our great kitchen area here. So convection microwave oven, storage, adjustable shelves, pull out shelf there, our sink. And again, you always have to pay attention to the nice windows. That window does open. Beautiful backsplash. Induction cooktop. Storage below. Optional dishwasher. Full extension drawers. 4 of them there, and they get bigger as you go down. So nice storage here. Put our sink covers, our stovetop covers here, our flip down, and then the all important garbage. Love that. And then we have our pantry space. So again, the locking drawers, full extension, get to everything you need with the divider, tray, pan space there at the bottom. Now across from that, we've got our Silverleaf control panel, and then our half bath. So really good size. You can easily get to that with your slides in. Optional emergency egress door. And then we move back into our master bedroom. So when you do get the bath and a half, you do go to a queen size bed. But if the bathrooms are important to you, maybe you can give up that king size bed. So we have the beautiful detail again, storage above, queen size bed, storage underneath the bed with our extra leaves there. Nightstands. We've got 110 and USB just inside the nightstand and a little port for your cords to come out. Again, storage here. Nice big TV. Windows. And then 6 drawers. Again, I just like the clean lines and everything of the New Aire. And then notice the beautiful sconces, window on either side of the bed. As I go into the master bathroom, we've got the newly designed pocket doors, got a full mirror on this side, and then the paneling, the inset panels on the other side. Just looks really nice. Great, nice big shower for this 35-foot coach. 2 places to hang your towels. Nice big storage compartment. We've got our extra chairs there, optional safe, wardrobe bar there. Vanity, love this sink and the residential faucet, beautiful backsplash, and of course all that storage that we get behind the mirrors and storage below. Optional washer and dryer, window that opens, and more storage. Another towel bar, toilet paper holder, and then our toilet with push button controls.